You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know a lot of people get confused by it, even though it's one of the most common words today. It's pronounced application. Let's break down how to pronounce it. This works for a mobile app application, that's known as an app, or anything that is applied is an application. Application. Now, some may say it a bit more as application with schwa sound. Application, that also works, but it's standard British English. Application. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.